Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Isabelle and thank you so much for clicking on this video and tuning in. This video is on this makeup and this hair. I wore this the other day and I just felt like really pretty in it because it was really simple, but it's just very light and I kind of feel like it's a little girly and I like it. And I use some of my favorite lip products too. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got this hair and makeup, then please keep watching. Thanks guys. So I already have on my primer and my foundation and my brows. So we are going to move right on to concealing under eyes. This is Tarte Shape Tape Light Medium and Light Sand. And I'm going to buff that in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. Going in with a BH 129 brush, just getting rid of the creases and blurring that out even more. Now going in to set my face, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics and Patrick Star Face Powder. And with the lightest shade in the Kat Von D palette, I'm going to brighten my under eyes and set them. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to lightly apply that over my eyelids. Now going in for bronzer, I'm going in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronzer. I'm gonna lightly define my nose just a little bit, going in with my Morphe M4401 brush and the same bronzer. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going in with a BH, I think it's just a flat concealer brush, and the shade Milky Way from the Galaxy Fenty Beauty palette. This is so easy to do. I really liked how it came out when I tried it the other day. It's just an all-over wash of white, shimmery, glossy pigment. It just looks really pretty and flattering, I think. It catches the light in some really nice ways. So first I'm going to just start in the inner corner and just place and kind of pull out. We're going to use a more pigmented highlight for the under the brow bone, but you can definitely take it all the way up there. So once I've used this brush, I'm going to go in with my ring finger. There's a lot more pigment on that now. Place it right over where we placed the eyeshadow with the brush. This time just pressing and pulling. Now we're gonna go back in with the brush and spray a little rose water. Now for some extra brightness and glossiness to the look, I'm going in with the white highlight shade from the Deluxe Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette. Inner corner, and just kind of limping that down to mix it with Milky Way. And just a little right on the center. Now for mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline and Makeup by Shayla collab in Baddest Black. Okay, so we've already bronzed. I'm going in with Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Apri-Cot in the middle. Apri-Cot in the middle, Apricot in the middle. And it does have a little bit of a sheen to it, which is really nice. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in the pan, there is some gold shimmer and reflect in it. So I'm just gonna do a little spray of rose water. For highlight, I'm going in with my Morphe M510 brush and Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. This is like OG all-time fave. I have like nothing left in my pan. I definitely need a new one. So we are all set for right now. We are gonna jump into this quick little hair tutorial that I have for you guys. It's just really easy. It's just the hair that I was wearing the other day. And then we'll finish up with the lip that I was wearing. So I have brushed and parted my hair. We are gonna go in with a little dry shampoo. This is by Baddest, and this is the Sassy and Daring Wild version. So it leaves like a little white cast, but you just work that into your scalp, and then you like can't even tell. I'm gonna do a little in the front. Just gonna brush that through. So today I'm going to be using this Numi wand. It is a 1-inch barrel, I believe, and it comes with a heat-resistant glove. This has been on since I've been filming, so this is wicked hot. But I'm just going to do curls all around. I wrap it around about twice because my hair isn't that long, but it'll give me some nice volume once we brush it out and throw some hairspray in and do a little zhuzh. Let's just get into it. So I just tied up about half of my hair, and then I'm going to separate that and bring both sides to the front. So for these ones, these are the shortest. I just got to wrap it around about twice. Let it just shake out in your hand a little bit just so it cools off. Taking this in the back. When I do my curls, I do towards my face and away from my face. I'll be able to show you a little bit better what I mean when my top layer of hair is down. I think it just looks a little more natural. I'm gonna section it just one more time. This will be the last layer that we have. I feel like this is my hairstyle every single day, just right here. Bring what you can to the front. Okay, so for these two sections, this one, I think I'm gonna break up into two, and one layer I will wrap towards my face and the other I'll wrap away. So this one, I'm gonna bring the hair around the barrel like this and just keep going. Should I say towards my face? I think I did. So this one's towards, really cool. This one, placing the barrel behind the hair, and then this is going to be away from my face. Do I have glitter in my hair? I feel like I kind of do. I can see it in my mirror. I don't know if you can see it on camera. last piece here. So this is what our hair looks like, curled all the way up. So I'm just gonna wait a couple of minutes until everything is fully cool and put some hairspray in it and run fingers, and we're pretty cool now. We're gonna go in with Chi Magnifying Volume Finishing Spray. Just brushing curls through. And again, you can leave the hair just like this too, but for that look that I did, I actually brushed all my curls out, and it gave me a little bit more of a softer, like bigger curl almost. So we're gonna do that right now. So we have our hair done and our face. Now we're gonna go in with lips. First I'm going in with Stone. This is by MAC. This is always like my go-to color for going out. When I first got it, I think I wore it out every single night. Now going in with Blushing Beige by Maybelline. And last but not least, Buxom White Russian. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.